Hi everyone, how are you? So we're gonna understand how agentic AI can be utilized in cybersecurity. But before moving forward, we need to understand what is agentic AI, okay? And how it is better than the traditional methods. In the very basics, if you start understanding like what is agentic AI from the very basic, it will be like you develop a system that do autonomous decision making, okay, and do autonomous execution, okay, for a specific goal that you have given. So let's say, let me give an example, okay? Let's say in the traditional methods, you have tools where you just like give like a specific command and you get the results from the command, okay? Simple. But in the agentic AI method, you will give the task to the agentic AI, and rather than just giving you the results for the specific task, if it found something more, right, for the anything related to that specific task, rather than like just giving that specific result, it keep moving forward to giving you more results. Okay, so it keep working until your desired task is done, and you have like additional details regarding to that task as well. Okay, now how it works, technical distributions will be like this. Agentic AI do have like three different phases if you want to understand it in very simple words. Very first will be the the reasoning phase. Okay, in the reasoning phase, agentic AI first understand your task, whatever the task you give, it understand it like, okay, what you actually want to do, we will want it to do. Okay, then will be the planning phase. It plans what you want it to do. Okay, like, okay, how agentic AI will do it. Let's say you have given the task that, okay, I need subdomains for a specific target. Okay, what it will do is it will do the uh, reasoning first. Okay, what the user wants to do, then it plan like, okay, how agentic AI will do the work for you. Okay, it plans the whole thing, and then the third phase it starts the execution on its own. Okay, now agentic AI do have another great capability that will be like, rather than just giving the results in one time, it keep improving on the basis of feedback it gets. Okay, so let's say it scans something and it calls like a list of subdomains, and there has been a wildcard DNS entry, and it will like, okay, I need to check this one as well. So it keep moving forward, then it finds like, okay, SSL details, and it will like moving forward on the target as more. Okay, so it keep improving itself on the basis of the feedback it is getting from the task it is doing. Okay, so in the traditional methods, in the traditional tools, you just get the results one time and that's all. Okay, but in this method, you train a proper model in a way that, okay, it do the scan, get the results, and keep improving it until you get the desired results, and the extreme I can say like the extreme efforts it has put, and extreme results it can give. Okay, so that's the like the working of agentic AI with a little example. Okay, now agentic AI do have like two different type of memories. You need to understand it how it actually remember everything it is doing. Agentic AI has a short-term memory that is called the context-based memory. It means it only remember the context you give it to. Like, you have just given a task, and it will only remember that specific task. Okay, and all the results it get from that specific task. Okay, uh, and a long-term memory that is called the persistence memory, and there's in the form of like vector database, and there are other methods as well. What it does is, if it is a long-term memory, it will remember the results of the previous task that you have done. Okay, so it can like connect with your previous chats, with the previous results you have got. Okay, but if it is only a short-term memory, it will only remember the task that you are currently doing. Okay, so it will not remember the other chats you have done with it previously. Okay, so if you're like just you want to use it for one specific task, a short-term memory will be best. But if you want to go with on a longer run, like, okay, you want to gather some information from different chats all together to get might be a specific report. Okay, then a large I'm gonna say like persistence memory will be way more better. Okay, now, there's a many different ways to build it, and we're gonna explore those ways one by one. Okay, uh, but that will be on obviously a proper playlist that will like explain step by step how you will create an agentic AI for yourself. Okay. Now, one more thing. Um, while you're working on agentic AI, you need to remember that defining the task is way more important. Okay. You cannot like define the task for like you define agentic AI for one specific task and like suppose that it will work for the other task as well. That's not how it works. Agentic AI is mainly goal based and task based. Okay, you create it for one specific task and it will only give you like extreme better results on that specific task. Okay, if you want to go with out of context, okay, you want to go to out of context and like get it results that is not that agentic AI is not defined for, then you will have problem with it. Yeah, so you need to make sure when you're creating it you define it properly, like what you actually want to do with this specific agent you are creating. Okay, that's it for now. We're gonna move forward with more videos on this.